6 event. Good luck to all of you. Racing just is started, one slow out, and that is Panamera. We have Aloha. Break quickly at a start, moving up, flying with you. Silver Glades, Matini Idol is sorry outside port. Pedro Penduko comes next. Dragon Maze with Jillian. Panamera, while Malihim is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Right out of our turn, we have Aloha now takes command by our length anyhow. Flying with you in second, trying to get closer into this Matini Idol. Next on lane, Silver Glades Danone inside Pedro Fenduco, Dragon Bay, Panamera, Sweet Julian, while Malihim is still running at the tail of the field. And as they swing for home, we have Aloha by about 3 lengths. Flying with you in second, Silver Glades. We have Aloha. It's going to be Aloha flying with you. Then comes Dragon Maze, Silver Glades, Close Matini Idol, and Sweet Jillian.
Second favorite lang?
Yes, na malayo.